So let's talk a little bit about headlight restoration. As you can see here, we've got a headlight that is oxidized and yellowed out. So let's talk about just a little bit the structure of a headlight itself. All the modern headlights nowadays are made of polycarbonate, and when the polycarbonate headlights are manufactured, there is a UV cured hard coat that is kind of sprayed on or wiped on over these headlights, and then UV cured to bond to that surface. However, what happens is that over time, or whether it be a period of months or even years, that coating that protects the polycarbonate just gradually starts to oxidize. And as you probably noticed, that oxidation generally starts the further north, or with the top of the headlight, being that that's where the most sun exposure occurs. So like on this headlight here, as we can see, the top is all yellowed out, the front side to a certain degree, and then the sides are relatively clear still, being that the original coating has held on pretty good on this lower portion.